Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and today I'm going to make for you from my mom's magazine, Cooking with Paula Deen, some wonderful looking balsamic veggie grilled cheese sandwiches. So we're gonna make grilled cheese sandwiches and we're gonna jam them full of vegetables. So I guess that is a healthy grilled cheese sandwich, maybe. It's kind of a different take. I think it's gonna be very good though, because we've got some of my favorite things here. I'm a veggie lover, and I love broccolini and zucchini and red peppers. So our total list of ingredients is what I just named, and then some cheese and some whole grain bread, a little vinaigrette, salt, and pepper. So let's get started. We're gonna add to a big bowl a little vinaigrette, and to that I'll add a little bit of salt and pepper and give that a good whisk. And we're gonna coat our vegetables in this vinaigrette. All right, so to that, I'm gonna add our broccolini. Ooh, this is gonna be big sandwiches. I think I'll make a couple of them. So broccolini and some zucchini, and we'll just toss that in there to coat it real well. Might need a little bit more vinaigrette, but that smells so good. Okay, so I will take a little bit more. That was a sparse amount. Thank you so much. Yeah, now we're cooking with gas.
Your mom's job.
Mm-hmm. I am. All right, and so I've got a cast iron station here going, and I'm just going to cook these veggies for a couple of minutes per side until they're just nice and brown. And I've got this on medium. I love cooking with cast iron. Go ahead and do another set of veggies for our next sandwich, because we got some folks here that might be hungry. So we need to make a few of these sandwiches, don't you think? All right, so that'll be ready for the next sandwich. Give my hands a quick wash. I love a grilled cheese sandwich, and since they're not very expensive to make, it was a staple in our house growing up. We had plenty of grilled cheese sandwiches. We had butter and sugar sandwiches. I remember cinnamon toast in the mornings. I have memories of, you know what I remember? I remember one particular house that we lived in Albany. I remember in the wintertime, my mom and dad having the oven on to make grilled cheese, to make cheese toast or to make cinnamon toast, and they would leave the oven open because it was cold. This is just a memory that just came to me. I remember having the oven open to sort of warm up the house while we were getting ready for school. And the Three Stooges would be on television, and Our Gang. This is the stuff that we would watch.
And it was wonderful.
You know, I remember it fondly. I still watch the Three Stooges and Our Gang if it's on. Okay, so these veggies look great. And I'm gonna station up another set of veggies for another sandwich. These are gonna be some thick sandwiches. All right, now, so here's what we're gonna do. And these are getting nice and brown. That's oof. I might could eat these veggies just like this, or put that on top of a salad would be nice. We'll turn that down to a medium low. Take it from medium to medium low. That smells so fragrant and so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and add these veggies back into our bowl where our vinaigrette is, and there's still a little left over. And I'll pop on the next set of broccolini and zucchinis here. Man, grilled vegetables on cast iron. Super great. You could do squash here too, I think, if you wanted. You know, whatever you like. You could do some carrots maybe. Okay. Toss, toss, toss. And why don't we right now take a little bit of a short break before we get to the bread, all right? So stay with us. So we've got our veggies browned off and they smell and look delicious. Now let's start building these sandwiches. All right, so we've used mayonnaise, not butter, as our browner. So when these go on the skillet, which we'll just go ahead and do that right now. How about it? Rather than putting the mayonnaise down on my cutting board here. All right, so put the mayonnaise side down. And then let's build our sandwiches. Ooh, some Colby Jack, cheese. So good. I love a grilled cheese sandwich. Always did love a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay. And to that we'll add a little zucchini, broccolini. Nice. Very nice. These vegetables smell wonderful. That vinaigrette. This is going to be quite a sandwich here. And I love that we're adding some vegetables to it and taking something that's not so healthy in sort of a different direction. Okay, so we'll add some roasted red peppers on top here. Beautiful color and nice flavor. A little more cheese. Ooh. Hey, Mike. How you doing, man? Just in time for lunch, brother. Beautiful. All right. That looks and smells delicious. Now I just got to figure out how I'm going to flip that sucker. Not a big veggie fan? All right, let's see. Skillet is nice and hot, so we should have some nice browning going. Yeah, I'm not quite ready. Let that just melt a little bit. That looks so good. Need a little soup. Some soup would be good with some tomato soup. Maybe I'll ask Mom to make us some soup. All right, let's see if we got some color going here. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, the trick on the flip is speed. Got to be quick. Look at that. Got broccolini trying to escape, but I'm not going to let it. Oh boy, that might look better than the picture. Look at those. Great color. My cheese is melting. Yeah, you can hear that sizzle. Just great. Just great. Perfect. All right, Teresa, soup's on.
Yum.
Who's ready for a sandwich? Ed's ready, Teresa's ready, I'm ready, Mama's ready, Mike's ready. Everybody's ready.
I guess.
Well, I will cut them, and you can get a half. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Look at that sandwich. Oh, beautiful golden brown. Hey, Pumpkin. I think Pumpkin's ready for a sandwich too. All right, everybody. From Paula Deen magazine, beautiful balsamic veggie grilled cheese sandwiches. Does that look nice or what? I think it does. Teresa,
Yum.
you ready?
Of course I am.
Bon appetit.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.